Want to save money while shopping on Shein? In this quick guide, I'll show you how to use coupons on the Shein app to get discounts on your favorite fashion finds. Let's get started. First, open the Shein app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your coupons and rewards. Browse through Shein's collection and add your favorite items to your shopping cart. Once you've made your selections, tap on the cart icon to proceed. Now, on the checkout page, look for the coupon section. Tap on it and you'll see a list of available coupons. Choose the one that gives you the biggest discount and tap apply. After applying the coupon, check your order summary to see the updated total price. Your discount should be reflected instantly. Enjoy your savings and happy shopping! Don't forget to check Shein regularly for new coupons and deals. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more shopping tips.